phone down so I can line up the hole. Let's see. I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna put this phone down for a minute. It's easier doing it from the back side of it, explaining to you. So as you can see, there's a hole here, hole there, another one on the top. So we're gonna tighten this nut right here. This new light didn't come with any nut, so I found the nut and a washer that goes on the back. So I'm gonna put a washer here and a nut to hold it in place. I'm gonna tighten that. This actually came with a factory plug, so we're gonna use that. And we put LED fog light. The number is 880 for the new fog light. Okay, this is under the fuse box. Fuse box comes out. The power output is this one. But for some reason, since this one didn't come with a fog light, I couldn't find any trigger from inside. So we're gonna power this one up with our own relay. And we're gonna put our own switch to trigger that. So we're gonna put the switch right there.